Hi, my name is Christian Mendoza, and in this video we're going to talk about how to import and orientate an extrusion in CAMplus. First, I want to go through the steps. So first, you would choose the right configuration, and you can see that's circled in red and labeled as 1. And next, you will open a DXF file, which is circled in red and labeled as step number 2. And next, you will figure out which is the top or bottom if it's vertical, or right or left if it's horizontal. I will go over an example next. So now we're going to do an example. So step number 1 is to configure what machine you want to build this in. For this example, we're going to say Quadra. Next is to bring in the DXF file. So you're going to go up here, click on DXF file. Now the part that we're going to work with is W75-5262. So it's going to be in the W75 family. So we go to W75. And now here we're going to put the 262. Now we need to make sure we're going to create the LDT in the correct place. So we need to figure out which is the top and which is the bottom. One trick that I like to do is to bring in the actual fab, but in CAD. Bring in this piece, 5262. We have to create the chicken head notch. So what I like to do is to go into model space. You can orientate this piece the same way that you have it orientated in CAMplus. So as you can see on CAMplus, it's orientated this way. So if we go back to our CAD file, so we see it's orientated the same way. And now we can see what's the top and what's the bottom according to the notches. So if I rotate this, you see that the bottom is down here because it has the chicken head notch, and the top is up here. So if we go back to our CAMplus, we know that this is the bottom and this is the top. So we need to build the LDT on this side and not on this side. Now you can change the way that this part is orientated in CAMplus, but if you want to do that, please contact Tony. The way you do that is you go up here and you click on define. Doing so will open up this window, and as you can see, the orientation of the part is currently like this, but you can change it. If you change it here, the LDTs that were already built in the other orientation are going to be incorrect. So if you want to do this, please contact Tony. And that's how to import and orientate an extrusion in CAMplus. Thank you for joining me. Goodbye.